friends, welcome to Smart Start Learn in Life. Today we are going to learn about the Earth in the solar system. In this video, we will cover universe, galaxy, solar system and celestial bodies. Universe. The universe is all of the space and time and their content including planets, stars, galaxies and all other forms of matter and energy. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. It's a whole comic world around us. This is a universe where many galaxies are there. What is galaxy? A galaxy is a gravitational bond system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek galaxes. Our solar system is part of Milky Way. In Indian language, it is also known as Akash Ganga. The white glowing part across the sky on a clear starry night is the Milky Way galaxy. It is a cluster of millions of stars. Galaxies include huge system of billions of stars, moons, planets, constellation, etc. The shape of galaxy is elliptical, spiral, lenticular. Celestial body. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Stars emit their own light. Planets do not have light and they do not emit light. Stars. Stars are the celestial body that are big and hot. They are made of many gases. They have their own heat and light. The sun is the star. Constellation. Various patterns formed by different group of stars are called constellation. There are 88 known constellations. Ursa Major and Saptarishi are some of the constellations. In ancient time, the star helped the people to find direction. North Star, also known as pole star, always indicate the north direction. Solar system. The word soul is Roman word which means sun is God and solar means related to sun. The solar system is gravitational bond system of the sun and the object that orbit it either directly or indirectly. Of the object that orbit the sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smallest object, the dwarf planet and small solar system bodies. Solar system includes 8 planets, satellites, meteoroids, asteroids. An easy way to memorize the name of planet is to learn a statement, which is, my very efficient mother just serves us nuts. Here, M stands for Mercury, V stands for Venus, E stands for Earth, M stands for Mars, J stands for Jupiter, S stands for Saturn, U stands for Uranus, and N stands for Neptune. Sun. It is the head of the solar system, made up of hot gases. It is an ultimate source of heat and light. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. It holds 99.8% of solar system's mass and is roughly 109 times the diameter of the earth. About 1 million earth could fit inside the sun. Planets. Celestial body that not emit light and are lit by the light of the stars. There are 8 planets in solar system. All planets move around sun in fixed path known as orbit. Pluto is not exactly the planet as its mass is substantially less than the combined mass of the other objects. Planets' names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, are terrestrial planets, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are giant, large and having low density. Earth, the third nearest planet to the Sun, fifth largest planet. Earth is slightly flattened at the poles. The shape of the Earth described as geoid. From outer space, it appears blue as two-thirds surface of it is covered with water. Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. Life-supporting gas like oxygen and water makes Earth suitable for life. Moon, a natural satellite, is a celestial body in space that orbit around a large body. Moon are called natural satellites because they have their own orbit planet. It appears so big as it is nearest to other planet than other celestial body. It moves around the earth in about 27 days. It does not have favorable condition for life. It has mountains, plain and depression of its surface. Only satellite of Earth. Moon is 3,84,400 km away from Earth. Asteroids. The numerous tiny bodies around the Sun are known as asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists believe that asteroids are parts of planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids. The small piece of rock which move around the Sun are called meteoroids. Due to the friction with air, they get heated up and burn. Sometimes they fall on Earth and create holes. Artificial satellite. Human-made satellite is an artificial satellite designed by scientists. This satellite revolves around the Earth in a particular orbit. It carried by the rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Purpose of man-made satellite are gather information about weather, temperature, universe, communication, security and etc. Now some extra bytes. Light travel at the speed of about 300,000 km per second. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus has ring around them. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus are not actually solid. Pluto is a part of Kuiper Belt orbital. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 21 July 1969. Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer of ancient India. IRSAT, IRS, EDUSAT are some of the Indian satellites in the space. Jupiter is not actually revolve around the Sun. Some of the planets have more than one moon.